Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you're feeling like the universe is not giving you whatever it is that you want, you feel like God is not listening to you, you feel like every time you take one step forward, you're taking two steps back, or you feel like you put all this work in and it seems like nothing is coming true. Listen, you landed on the right video today. Many of you that watch this video, that put into action what I'm about to say, is going to see your life change. The only thing it's going to take for you to watch this video for a couple of minutes if you're really serious. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel that gives you manifesting techniques in all different ways, right here in one place. So don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell, and most of all, to support this channel, watch the next video. Other than that, if you want to know what I have to say that would change your life and open up the doors to whatever it is you're trying to bring in, keep watching. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about this powerful technique or powerful way of thinking that is absolutely going to change so many of your lives after watching this video? And it is based on Catherine Ponder's Open Your Mind to Receive. Now listen, I have this audio book in my playlist, and please, if you haven't listened to it, please go there or buy her books. I will put a link in the description. Open your mind to receive is one of the most powerful things that you can recognize or acknowledge to open the doors to your success. Listen, don't click off, because if you knew this information, you would be already where you want to be, okay? So now, when we're talking about open your mind to receive, it's a process, not something that you just say, okay? And the thing is, she wanted to explain, if you're not getting the things you want in your life, like a new house, a new car, a new career, your own business, better health, there is something that you are doing. Now listen, the universe, God, Allah, Jehovah, hears you regardless of anything. It hears you. But the thing is, are you open up to receive? Are you still holding on to that boyfriend knowing that you want a better life? Are you still holding on to that career knowing that it's really not for you? Open your mind to receive is basically opening yourself up to allow the universe, to allow God, Allah, Jehovah, Mother Earth, your higher self, to bless you with all the things that you want. And listen, it's powerful. Now, Catherine speaks about 10 steps that you must acknowledge, okay? And it's very simple, you guys. And the only thing you need to do is to know it, realize it, and then move forward. So now, 10 steps, and I'm going to go over it very quickly, and these 10 steps are going to change your life. Now, her number one is basically stating to receive is to accept. When you say, I am receiving, I am accepting. I am opening up so the universe can bless me with whatever it is. Her number two is, you must receive and give. It is the same. It is part of balance, you guys. And you have to know this is how the universe works. It's part of balance. In order for you to receive, sometimes you must give. A lot of times when people write me and they say, well, Yvette, I'm not getting this, I'm not getting this, I say to myself, what are you holding on to? What are you not giving? Are you giving compliments? Are you opening doors for people? Are you giving someone on the street $1 who needs $1? Are you donating? Are you giving to your church? Are you giving to the people that are giving you spiritual knowledge? What are you doing? Or are you holding on to everything and expecting to receive? That is one of the most powerful steps in the art of open your mind to receive. Now, number three is basically almost the same as number two. And again, she speaks on giving and receiving is only half of the equation. Half is giving, half is receiving. The other thing is you cannot expect to receive unless you give. And this is something very powerful. Some people might say, well, Yvette, I don't have nothing to give. You can open the door. You can be courteous to somebody. You can give somebody a compliment. You can give somebody $1 on the street that's looking for $1. You can do so many things, you guys. You can donate your time. You can just be a blessing to other people. All of these are methods of giving, everyone, and you guys have to understand that. Now, number 4 is very simple, and it's something that I speak about all the time, and that is, it is your divine right to have whatever it is that you want. If you want that car, if you want that house, if you want that new career, it is already yours. Your Father, the universe, God, Allah, Jehovah, has already blessed you when you came to this earth, when you incarnated here to have this life, to have and create whatever it is that you want. This is something you guys all must understand, that whatever it is that you want, your Father, the God, your higher self, has already given it to you. It's just a matter of you allowing it to come into your life. Now, number 5 is serious, you guys, and I speak about this all the time. Whatever you think, talk about, or act upon is what's going to manifest in your life. If you're constantly focusing on negativity or negative things in your life, you are going to manifest that. Now, listen, don't get me wrong. We all go through something, even myself. But the thing is, you need to step back sometime and say, what am I manifesting in my life that I don't want? Why is this happening to me? What must I do? Because right now, I'm attracting negative things into my life. I'm attracting what it is I don't want. I'm attracting what I don't want, and I'm not getting what I do want. And what it is that whatever you think, whatever you focus on is going to manifest in your life. So if you want that job, but you're focusing on everything negative about your current job, you will not get that job because you're bringing in negativity when it comes down to your job. So this is something that she focuses on, and she really wants you to understand. Whatever it is you focus on is what's going to appear in your life. So this is another reason why you are not allowing or not opening your mind to receive, because your mind is all cluttered with whatever it is that you don't want. Now, number 6 is very simple, and it's something that I tell everyone to do, no matter if you're using scripting, affirmations, visualization, is to focus on what it is that you do want. If you ever wanted a particular car and you've never seen anyone driving that car, as soon as you put it out there that this is the car that you want, all of a sudden you're going to see that car 3 and 4 times every single day. Why? Because you're putting it out there. The universe is acknowledging that it already knows this is what you want in your life, and you're starting to see it. By taking action and doing whatever it is that you need to do, that thing must become your reality as long as you're open to receive. Now, number 7 is another thing that I'm telling you guys, and so many of you guys make this mistake, and that is telling every single person what it is that you want. You know how many times I get people that are writing me, and they're on social media, YouTube, Facebook, and they're telling the whole world what it is that they want. I want a car, Yvette. I want a house. I want that man. And the thing is, it's okay to tell me, sometimes, but a lot of people spill their guts. Not only do they do it talking to me, but they go and they tell their family members, their friends, their cousins, their enemies. They just tell everyone. They just got diarrhea of the mouth. When you do this, you are absolutely dissipating the energy that is there, that is propelling you forward. When you tell people what it is that you want, what it is that you desire, you basically don't know where their level of belief is, including me. You don't know if you're reaching for the galaxy and I'm reaching for the stars. You don't know if other people don't believe in themselves. If other people don't believe in themselves, why would they believe in you? And they're just sending that negative energy towards you, not meaning any harm, but you're speaking to people that don't believe. And the only thing they can do is have disbelief for whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. So the whole thing is, and many metaphysicians say this, keep your business to yourself. The only person you need to speak to is God, is the supreme being, your higher self, and that is it. Now, number 8 is another big one, you guys, and this is something many of you don't practice, and that is the art of giving. Now listen, again, we already spoke about giving and receiving has to be balanced out. And this is the little thing that I need to emphasize to all of you about giving. There are 3 types of giving. Giving to your supreme being, God, Allah, your church, whoever you're getting your spiritual knowledge from, okay? The next giving is giving to yourself. A lot of people are forgetting, when you get paid every week, how much of that income are you giving to yourself? How much of that income are you putting to the side in the bank for yourself? And listen, this is one of the most powerful secrets to being a millionaire, to being financial free. It's paying yourself. So my whole thing is, are you giving to others? Are you giving to yourself, your children, your family, and at the same time, your spiritual organization where you're getting your knowledge? These are the parts of giving that is going to open up your door. Now, number 9 is something that everyone should be doing, but no one is, and that is getting ready to receive. If you're looking for the love of your life, are you still holding on to that ex? Are you still holding on to things in your life that you do not want? This means you are not getting ready to receive. If you want a mate to move in with you, to live with you, to have a husband, maybe you don't need to take up both parking spots by parking in the middle. Maybe you need to park to the side, knowing that that man is coming, that woman is coming. Maybe you need to leave a closet empty in preparation for that person to move in or that person to come into your life. All of these things are part of getting ready. If you want that job, are you getting ready by building your education or your knowledge so when it comes, you are totally prepared to handle the job? If you are trying to buy that house, are you preparing your credit? Are you going out driving around looking for that house, knowing that it is already here? This is all part of getting ready to receive. And without it, you are saying, I don't believe, I'm not ready, and it's just not coming. Every day, I need you to get up and state what it is that you want. And I'm going to tell those that are still here something that Catherine Ponder uses, okay? But I need you to get up every single morning and make a statement of whatever it is that you want in your life. And I need you to declare it that it's already done. And thank the universe for giving it to you, and then let it go. Now, I have a little statement that Catherine Ponder uses, and it is powerful, and you probably heard it before. And listen, it either came from Catherine Ponder or she probably got it from somewhere else. But you guys have to understand, these things work. And her statement is, every morning, wake up. You can state whatever it is that you want, and then you can say, I am receiving. I am receiving now. I am receiving all that the universe has for me right now. All that is mine by divine right now comes to me speedily, richly, and freely. I am receiving now. Now you can use this one with whatever it is that you want. Thank you, God, for blessing me with my new house. I now have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. I am very happy right now. All that is mine by divine right now comes to me speedily, richly, and freely. I am now receiving whatever the universe has for me. Thank you, God. It is just that simple. When you get up in the morning, when you take your shower, and it actually works. So listen, you guys, I just gave you one of the most powerful ways to open and receive, to open your mind. And let me tell you this from personal experience as a tip. When I found myself not receiving, not getting what it is that I want in life, I too had to step back and say, what am I not allowing? What am I not doing? What am I not opening my mind to receive? What is it that I'm doing at this moment? Again, open your mind to receive. Be who you want to be. Love yourself no matter what it is, and enjoy life. So again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, always giving you life-changing information, manifesting techniques in all different ways, all right here in one channel. And listen, the best thing you can do to support this channel is to watch the next video, like, subscribe, tap the bell, and if you want to know anything about my world of metaphysics, please look in the description. Everything is there, from coaching, from products, from crystals, sage, everything is there. And namaste.